Hi guys, today we will have a short video with unboxing, review and testing of the BOSCH KEO. This is a gardening saw and it's cordless. We will start by opening it first. Before proceeding, when you receive the parcel from whoever you are ordering from, make sure that you have this seal here, because this means that it was not opened, and that's what you want to see. So we will cut it open for the first time, and here on the other side you have a tiny tape which we will cut open as well. We also have a quick start guide. However, we will be focusing on what's inside. Put this away. So, as usual, you have your manual. It's a quite thick one, to be honest. You have some stuff around here, some paper. And as usual, nobody will read this. It might be interesting, but the interesting bit is what's inside. Oh. In here we have a blade. This is a blade. Let's see if it can focus. So it's S644D, 150 millimeters or 6 inches, and it's for wood, and it says Swiss made. Okay, in the box we will also find the saw, which you would expect, and this device which actually goes somehow here on top. Let's see if there is anything else in the box. No, the box is pretty much empty. We'll put the box aside, and as you can see, this is called a bare tool because it doesn't have a battery. Well, because I had previously owned BOSCH devices, I actually do have a battery, and it looks like this. It's actually charged, you can see. It's 2 amp hours and it's the all 18 volts from BOSCH. This particular one, it's made in Hungary, as you can see, and I'm curious if this one is made in Europe as well. Let's check. If it's focusing here, but yeah, I don't know if you guys see this, but it does say made in Hungary as well. So let's fit the battery. So you keep the battery like this, and you simply slide it like this. You also have like a indicator here, and let's see. See, it says the battery is full, but you also have this one here, which says it's full. Okay, so we have simple command. Actually, here you have to kind of press this button while you are operating it, otherwise it won't go. It's stuck basically. It really feels solid, to be honest. However, it's very light, which is good actually. To be honest, the battery gives it a little bit of weight. But yeah, it feels solid, pretty much solid, and we will see how it does at the test. One thing that I want to say, the motor in this, the electric motor, it's actually brushless, which is a very good feature. I will show you quickly before we proceed with the testing how you can mount the blade, and it's very easy. So if you press this red stuff, see, on one side, and then with this part down, put it like this, shift it, and that's it. As I said, to operate you need to press it, and then you'll do this. Okay, and now I'll show you what this is for. So this is basically to protect, not to protect, but actually to keep it more steady. So you'll have to pull this red lever in the back and let it go, and then you will see that it actually can flip like this. It will make sense when you will see it in action.